Every financial statement audit requires cash testing, and every auditor knows what that means. Hours of manually extracting transactions from PDFs, cross-referencing reconciliations, and building work papers one cell at a time. Assurient automates that entire workflow. Let me show you how. We start by creating a client and engagement. Assurient is built as a multi-tenant platform with row-level security and full audit logging. So every firm's data stays isolated and every action is tracked for SOC 2 compliance. On the engagement dashboard, we configure materiality at overall, trivial, and ISI levels. These thresholds flow through to testing, so items below ISI are automatically filtered from selection. We can assign team members to testing areas, set due dates, and track progress across the engagement. The platform tracks every change with time-stamped audit logs, so reviewers can see exactly who did what and when. Next, we upload the trial balance. The platform automatically maps accounts to audit areas. We can review and edit mappings as needed and save settings, so next year's upload maps automatically. The trial balance amounts flow directly into cash testing, creating a validated link between the GL and our work papers. Assurient breaks down the trial balance by financial statement area: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses, so you can quickly validate totals before moving into testing. In cash testing, we select which accounts are in scope and set the risk level, which determines the ISI threshold for item selection. We configure the cutoff window typically 5 days before and after year-end, along with parameters for late clearing and stale outstanding items. The bank roster links each GL account to its bank name and account number. This powers our completeness validation, ensuring every uploaded document matches an account in scope. The configuration saves at the engagement level, so if you need to rerun extraction with different parameters, you can adjust and reprocess without losing prior work. These settings roll forward to next year's engagement, reducing setup time for recurring clients. Now for document processing. We simply drop in bank statements and reconciliations. The platform auto-detects document types, extracts bank names and account numbers, and renames files according to firm standards. When we run extraction, AI vision processes every document, pulling reconciliation balances, individual deposits in transit, and outstanding checks, and cut off transactions from bank statements, all filtered by our configured ISI threshold and cutoff window. Each extraction is linked to its source document and page number, creating a complete audit trail from the original PDF to the final work paper. In minutes, we've extracted 42 items across 9 documents. This is where Assurient transforms the audit workflow. The review interface displays the source document on the left, with bounding boxes showing exactly where each value was extracted. On the right, a live preview of the work paper being built, highlighting exactly where each item will be injected. For each extraction, staff can see the amount, the date, the description, and the confidence score. One click shows exactly where the value was pulled from. No flipping through pages or second-guessing the source. If the extraction is correct, we simply approve it. Keyboard shortcuts make this fast. A to accept, E to edit, R to reject, and N for next. If something needs adjustment, we can edit inline by typing a new value, or by drawing directly on the PDF to select the correct source. We can also search across all documents to find and select the right amount. Every action is logged with a complete audit trail. The platform validates completeness as we go. Withdrawal items sum to the withdraw total. Deposit items sum to the deposit total. DIT items sum to the DIT total. OS items sum to the OS total. And the bank-to-book reconciliation calculates automatically. When all items in a section are approved, it's marked complete. No more wondering if something was missed. Once review is complete, we export our deliverables. The cash testing work paper goes directly into the audit binder, majority autofilled with documented source references. Cash Selections generates the PBC request to send to the client. Cash Confirms produces a list of accounts requiring bank confirmations. One click, 3 work papers, ready for the binder. Phase 2 will complete the loop. When clients return support documentation, Assurient will automatically match cleared items to our selections, flagging exceptions, and completing the testing cycle. Beyond cash, the platform is designed to expand into other high-volume audit areas: accounts receivable, accounts payable testing, and fixed asset testing. The goal is simple: less time on data entry, more time on what matters: audit quality and client service. Assurient transforms hours of manual extraction into minutes of AI-assisted review. Staff focus on professional judgment. Firms increase capacity without increasing headcount. Reach out to learn how Assurient can work for your firm.